everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I don't normally do a video like this in the middle of the week, but RV life happens. One of the things you got to always make sure is you're taking care of your vehicle. That means making sure you get your oil changed, your slides checked out and all of that, and I did that today and I was expecting that hit, but what I wasn't expecting is I had them look at the antenna because there was an issue there, and then that added on to it, and then all of a sudden what I thought was going to be about a $300 fix has now turned into well over $480, $500 to get it fixed. But you know, you got to get that stuff done. I always want to be open and honest with you guys and share everything that I'm doing, so let's go ahead and pay for this thing. So there's the bad boy, oil changed, slides all lubed and checked, and the antenna on top all fixed and ready to go. Again, some of the stuff you have to do on a yearly basis, so it's painful, but you got to protect that vehicle, otherwise the alternative could be worse. There, all down. Well, that's a good thing. TV's on. Let's see if I can get any channels this time.
Most of the country, but we'll be on the southern edge of it this weekend, so that could actually promote broader rain chances for us. So keep that in mind. Earlier in Tallahassee,
and yes, we have over-the-air TV. Woo! It's going to be fun on my next trip. Everything seems to be done. Everything seems to be fixed. I should be good for another year. Again, you know, it's one of those things, you know, I woke up today, I knew I had the appointment, and I knew it was going to be a little bit painful. I just didn't expect it to be as painful. But you know, want to make sure that the rig is doing well, it's staying healthy. I've got a couple of things coming up, so I want to make sure, you know, want to make sure that this rig lasts a long time. And so to do so, you just got to check up on your systems, you know, at least once a year. So that's what I did today. It's all said and done, paid for. Let's just go out there and start driving again. Hey, a new video coming your way this Monday. That will be Monday, July 2nd. So stay tuned for that. But if you want to follow me anywhere, you can follow me on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Hey, going out there and RVing, protect your rig. Go out there though and really have fun. That's what it's all about. We'll see you soon.